Yeah.
Check out the Hoover Dam.
Somebody would join. What's up, Ben? Look at that shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Las Vegas last night.
Yeah. Not much, just seeing the Hoover Dam. And back where I am, so.
It's a long way down.
Yeah. Long way down. I'm playing, dude. Jesus. I just think of like Beavis and Butthead every time when I'm like hear the word Hoover Dam. Beavis and Butthead. Any more damn questions? Oh, fucking love that. Let me flip this shit around. Ben, you ever seen the Grand Canyon or Hoover Dam? Childhood friend. Scared to death to drop my fucking phone down there. Look at that long slipper slide. Whee! Yeah. Going to Vegas on Thursday this week. That sucks. We leave Tuesday. Doesn't matter. Do you drink beer? I'll give you a little hint. Hey, Roxanne. At the Hoover Dam with my wife. Who's all watching me? They just get up and leave. Yo. Yeah.
Can you hear my gum snap echoing? Listen.
That's cool.
Listen.
Hold on. That's kind of cool. Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear the acoustics on gum. That's kind of cool. Hey! No. I want to hear an echo. I don't want to yell. That's insane. The acoustics just on gum.
No,
What?
It doesn't really do it with voice.
No? Echo! Yeah, it does. Hey!
It's cooler with gum.
Yeah. Well. Yeah. I don't know. I can't really show you. I want to jump off here, guys.
No, you aren't.
No, I'm not. Maybe I shouldn't have. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. I'm gonna jump off live.
Hey, you could cross the street and show them the other side. Show them Lake Mead side. Right there's a crosswalk.
Jesus. Some things you need to. Some things I should think before I say. Definitely. God. Crack my shit up. What? Oh, well, go. That's the boring side. Yeah. Fucking Arizona time.
Oh!
What's my wife doing over there? Oh, she's waving. Alright. I'm not going to jump off here. I'm going to get off a flight. Oh, Jesus.